Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. We are currently looking at Eurusd, and for the greater part of last week, we had been buying and then we had a reversal on Friday, which is completely fine. We were expecting that. Right, so to kickstart this analysis, we have seen some form of market structure break in here. If you can even check on the lower time frame, with one right there, we have another one right there. And now all we do is wait for price to return to the order block, and then we can look for entries to sell. All right. What I expect is for the beginning of the week, we are going to see prices trade higher into the sell entry zone. And as soon as we get into the sell entry zone, we need to make sure that on the lower time frame, we have supporting evidence that we are ready for ourselves. We are not just going to activate ourselves simply because we got into the sell entry zone, because the result of that can be quite devastating to your account. Right, so make sure you are trading, for instance, as I've shown here, you're trading and break a block itself, right? So you wait for price to give you a market structure break in here. As soon as they return to the breaker itself, and then we can activate ourselves. Right, our initial target, I am going to be looking at how price behaves as they close this fair value gap, right? And also any short-term low that we have left as we trade higher into the sell entry zone, right? That can be a logical area for us to take profit first, right? And then ultimately we've got equal lows here at 113,500, and then we also have sell side liquidity around 113,100, big figure, and then at the bottom here we have equal lows as well, right, at 112,800. Right, so this is the analysis that you guys have for Eurusd.